Well, if you're a real estate agent and you've been watching my videos for a while, you've seen me talk about this form in the past. This is the one that holds agents accountable. It's getting them a lot more closings. So many agents are focused right now on getting listings instead of buyers. Shows you how to get more listings. And most importantly, that accountability thing is everything. I mean, that is what is going to put more money in your bank account. You know, the fact is there's a lot of agents that make excuses for themselves, that blame everything in the world. You know, it's the competition that's killing me. It's the cash offer companies that are killing me. It's the discount brokers that are killing me. It might be you that's killing your business right now. So we have found a form, and I've been using these for a long, long time. I'm going to show them to you here in just a second. We found a form that you can utilize as a real estate agent, and I'll guarantee you if you focus on filling this out every single week, you fill it out properly, you do the things you're supposed to do, I will absolutely guarantee you, you are going to sell a lot more houses. You're going to make a lot more business because there's so many of these different accountability forms you can use, right? Like how many calls you've made, how many emails, how many touches you've had, or whatever the case is. But all of that is the illusion of movement in your business. Makes you feel like you're going somewhere, but you're not really doing what you're supposed to do, right? It just gives you that illusion of movement. You've got busy work, much like the procrastination and the distractions that we deal with in real estate. All of these distractions that are out there, they make you feel like you're actually learning something, but you're not actually doing something. So what we found, and I do this with a lot of the agents that are involved with our Greg Luther Inner Circle coaching, if you use this form consistently, you'll realize there's no way for you to make excuses. There's no time for you to deal with distractions, and most importantly, you're making a lot more money. So let me show you what this form is. I think you're going to be very impressed with this. I actually have a stack of them. You're going to be excited to know that it's totally free. Like you can start using this on a consistent basis, and it's the #1 accountability form that you'll ever use in real estate. Here's what it is. I'm going to show you a big stack of them. This is called a deposit slip for your local bank. My bank happens to be Chase. There's no room on these deposit slips for your BS excuses. There's only room for numbers. That's the only thing you have room for. How much money did you actually make? There's no room for excuses. You can't even write in these boxes, oh, their brother is a realtor and they weren't able to use. You can't even do that. This is what's actually creating revenue if you're focused on doing this. Why? Because we have better offers that we're putting out to the general public so that buyers and sellers are interested in working with you. If your offer is like, I'm a licensed agent and I really care about your business, nobody is going to work with you. You're a commodity. You've been replaced by the companies that'll do it at 1%, and you're literally nothing more than a licensed agent. You don't have any specific offers or services that you can provide that they can't find anywhere else. So I'll give you an example. One of the things that we teach inside Greg Luther Inner Circle is what we call our dream home finder, how we can find them off-market or pre-market homes before they hit the general public. Why? Because if you're a buyer, you're getting 30, 40 offers on homes and your offer keeps getting beat out. Think of the real estate agents that have buyers and they're going through this whole mess of writing offers, getting beat, writing offers, getting beat. What if you changed your approach? We don't have that problem. When you use the right approach, you win. So if you start holding the right accountability, by the way, if you like this idea of only focusing on how well you're doing for the client and how much revenue it's creating for you, hit the like button here. Hit the little thumbs up if you agree that this is the number that really matters, not the number of people you called or contacted or emailed. Why does any of that matter? The only thing that matters is results. So I want you to start focusing on how do I make that happen for myself? And then how do I increase the quality of the offer that I put out so buyers and sellers will want to work with me and I can fill out a heck of a lot more of these things. All these softwares and database and P&L statements and all that crap, you got to learn how to do that stuff. It's the illusion of movement. The only thing that matters is how many families you're able to help and how much revenue you're able to create. Look at all the families that are now already through the forbearance process. They haven't made a mortgage payment in a year, and now the foreclosure moratorium is almost over. You aren't making money from pre-foreclosure right now. They got 200 grand in equity. You don't need to do short sales. This isn't short sales. This is just, I'm trying to avoid a foreclosure. I need to sell my house. That's it. They got 150, 200,000 in equity and they'll just sell the home. You're not taking advantage of that. Our last couple of coaching calls we've done for Inner Circle members, which by the way, you can download them on the member site there. We talked about the pre-foreclosure opportunities, all of the different niches that are working well right now, the cash offer programs that are creating revenue. This is how you grow your real estate business. This is not about getting more ideas or about learning something, or that guy really knows his stuff. I don't need to impress anybody. We're already doing extremely well. But I'll tell you what, if you're serious about filling out a lot more of these, you probably ought to be an Inner Circle member. I created a new training for 2021. It's on a website you can watch on demand whenever it's convenient for you. Go there now and check out getfastclosings.com. There's about a 40-minute training there. It should be in the description somewhere. Getfastclosings.com. And let me ask you, are buyers or sellers more important in your market? Because I'm going to show you these deposit slips, how you get more listings in your market. So let me ask you, in the comment section, in your local market, which is more important for you, buyers or sellers? What do you think would be more valuable to you? I want you to type it in the comments here. Do you think it's more valuable to attract buyers in this market or attract sellers in this market? I think it's kind of obviously it should be common knowledge for everybody that sellers are incredibly valuable for us. But we also know that these sellers aren't moving unless we can find a property for them. They won't take 20% more than appraised value if they don't have anywhere to go. So many times we want sellers, but we have to pick them up first as a buyer. Do you agree with that? You have to pick them up as a buyer first. Well, you're not going to get them by saying, let me show you everything that's in the MLS, even though Zillow is already showing them everything that's in the MLS. There's no benefit to that. So I want you to think about how you're going to create revenue for yourself by creating better offers. If you go to getfastclosings.com, you're going to see some free training that's there to get the basics started for you. And it's not even covering our detailed stuff. This has nothing to do with Greg Luther Inner Circle, the pre-foreclosure opportunities, the cash offer opportunities, the waterfront opportunities, the stuff we're doing now with Sphere of Influence to double the number of transactions you're getting from your SOI. So all of these techniques are taught inside of Greg Luther Inner Circle. But I got to tell you, if you're just sitting around watching stuff and you're not actually implementing anything, and you're trying to learn new softwares and programs and systems and the latest, greatest, whatever, all you need is a stack of deposit slips. There's nothing else you need. If you have good offers, you'll fill out plenty of these. So I want to keep you motivated, but I want to make sure you're also tactical in what you're doing here. Being motivated just causes you to run around in circles excited, getting nowhere. I want you filling out deposit slips for your bank account. We are in the hottest real estate market we've ever seen in the history of the United States. Since the Louisiana Purchase, have we never had this many offers over asking price, not sure if it's going to appraise, and you're sitting in your house? You're sitting at home trying to figure out how to make money? There is money running through the streets right now if you're geared into the right people. Not the leftover stuff, not the FHA buyers that can't find a house to save their life because the approach you're using is the MLS. It's up to you to step up to the plate for you and your clients, and I think you'll find if you get those better offers, you'll very easily do that. So if you want to start closing a lot more business, this is an opportunity for you to do it. Go to getfastclosings.com. You'll need to put in your email address there, but it will immediately start that video for you. Take notes on that. That'll show you the basics. Now, for disclosure purposes, there will be about a 3-minute, 4-minute pitch about Inner Circle coaching. Don't even bother listening to that unless you're dead serious about growing your business. This will allow you to do that. So I'll show you that process. I'll walk you through all of it. I think you'll find it incredibly helpful. Let's get a bunch more of these things filled out. If there's anything I can do for you, let me know. Comment below here. Again, what's more important for you, sellers or buyers? Because as you know how the Facebook algorithm works, if you're trying to get yourself sellers, if you're trying to get listings and you say so right here, guess what I'm going to be giving you at no charge? You got to make your comment here in order to do that. Otherwise, the algorithm doesn't work that way. If you don't know how marketing works in today's day and age, you're going to struggle as a real estate agent. What's more important to you, sellers or buyers? Leave a comment here and let's chat. We'll talk to you soon. Go to getfastclosings.com. I'm Greg Luther, and go make some money. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we have a lot more information to share with you as well. I want you to do 3 important things so that we can start growing your real estate business immediately. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up. It's totally free, very easy to do, but you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel and then make sure you ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you're turning on notifications, so it'll let you know every time we load new videos, and we load new training content for you nearly every single day. Now, additionally, I've got a big bonus for you because every week I choose one agent that I'm going to do a one-on-one coaching call with. Let me tell you how we choose them. You'll want to comment on this video below because every week we choose one person from the comments that I'm going to help them in growing their real estate business. So leave a comment below on the video that you just watched. What'd you think about it? Do you like it? Are you trying it? Is it something you're intrigued by or want more information on? Leave a comment below and we choose someone every single week that I have a one-on-one coaching call with. So 3 important things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and then leave a comment on this video below. We'll plan on seeing you soon.